Why integrate PocketGuard with other savings apps?
Combining PocketGuard with third-party savings apps gives you a full snapshot of your money. By connecting accounts, you can track spending, saving, and progress toward financial goals all in one place. This setup makes budgeting easier, helps you spot savings opportunities, and supports smarter decisions for your financial future.
What you need before connecting.
Before linking PocketGuard to another savings app, gather your login details and check each app's compatibility. Some popular savings tools support direct connections, while others might use bank linking or export features. Make sure your accounts are active and that you've updated your apps for the best integration experience.
Connecting PocketGuard to savings apps.
Open PocketGuard and go to the Account section. Tap the option to add or link an account. Choose your savings app or the bank your savings app uses. Sign in using your external app credentials. PocketGuard will securely import your balances and transaction history, enabling real-time tracking alongside your other finances.
Troubleshooting connection issues.
If you have trouble linking apps, check your login info and make sure both apps are updated. Sometimes, third-party banks or savings apps require verification through codes or multi-factor authentication. Contact customer support for either app if you run into persistent issues, as they can provide direct help for connection errors.
Maximizing your financial overview.
After integrating your accounts, review your combined budgets and goals in PocketGuard. Now you can spot patterns, track all your savings, and plan better for big purchases or emergencies. Regularly update account connections for the most accurate data and take advantage of PocketGuard's insights to optimize your financial health.